Hi guys, my name is Philip and you're watching my week 5 assignment for the Introduction to Music Production on Coursera.org. Today I'll be showing you how to use a noise gate effectively on a recording, and I will be showing you how to do it in Ardour. That's an open source DAW that works on Linux, and I'll be using the Calf Gate plugin. So what is basically a gate? A gate is supposed to tune out the noise that's happening in between the recording and leave the healthy signal of the recording as loud as possible, so that when you're doing a mix or when you're putting effects on the recording, that you have the most or the cleanest sound possible. So here I'll be showing you how to do it and on a stand-up bass recording using a pickup. And as you can see here, the recording has some noise in between the notes, and it's a sort of a electrical noise or a hiss or some buzzing sound that we will try to tune out using a gate. So if we press play here, and if you turn up the volume loud enough, you can hear that there's a hissing sound there in between. So if we go to the gate and put the threshold, okay, let's stop this. And so if we look at the gate and what it does, here we have 0 dB, and that's the loudest possible signal that you can get in the digital recording. And what this graph shows us is that how much input goes into the gate, and then at what level of input we get an output and how loud it will be. So at minus, I think it's here set to 36, oh yeah, okay. So we have the threshold set to 36.1 dB. So minus 36.1 dB. When it hits louder than minus 36.1 dB, the output is minus 36 dB. So if we try and we play this, and if we move the threshold up, we hear that there is no sound coming out from the gate. So basically the idea is to try and put the threshold at a level where it doesn't kill the sound, but where it leaves a really healthy sound coming out from the recording. Just a little thing to the attack and release buttons over here. The gate is supposed to work with a fast attack and a fast release, which means that it lets the sound in as fast as possible and closes the gate and reduces the noise as fast as possible. But what I did is I put the release knob a little bit higher because my stand-up bass recording has longer notes in the recording. So it's not just a punchy sound, it also has these notes that last longer. That's why I put my release a little bit up. So let's hear how these two recordings sound together.